Alright, we got a little guide gear, a little tiny stove for the tiny house, and the box is pretty small. Now it weighs about 47 pounds. The table it's on is a little 27-inch workbench right here. So with it being so tiny, you're not going to really have much. I can tell you that right now. I've had other stoves over the years, and they definitely weighed more than 47 pounds. I mean, it usually takes 2 or 3 people to move the stoves, the wood inserts, into whatever I'm actually doing. So let's see what we got inside. Some styrofoam. Wrap and some wrap, and pull the wrap out. Alright, let me go grab some gloves, and I will come back and we'll start pulling this out. I ordered a tiny stove. What do I expect? There's the front over here. Put this thing sideways. I'm just going to rip it open. And here is the tiny itty bitty stove, and just like I figured, there's all the little pipes and pieces and the little legs. Oh, ain't they just cute? They're like pint size. Alright, let's see what the little pipes look like. Wiggle one of these things out of here. With a little stoker, I think. Look at this thing packed in here. Like a little maze. Oh, look at the little top of the stove. And here's your little stovepipe. This is the very top. Oh, ain't it cute? Yeah. This is going to be interesting, to say the least. But it does give you stuff to do a little teeny pipe. Now, you can also get... Oh wow, it's actually got the little flapper in there. So it gets too hot, you can just slow it down a little bit. You can also, and it's actually already set up so you can pretty much connect them. With a little bit of tapping action, should slide right into place. Now you can probably get, these are 3-inch, so you can go to a hardware store and probably get something for like a gas furnace for your stovepipe. There's a bunch of them in there, that is for sure. Here's your little stoker. You gotta do your little coals in there. Alright. Looks like a little hoe. Working in the garden kind of thing. So, pretty much that is what you get. This is your little teeny stove. Let me show you the inside of it real quick. Alright. This is pretty much what you get. Little itty bitty stove. Your little hardware. Here's your little door handle. You gotta just attach your little latch right here. So you can stoke it down. Still concerned about these only being little 3-inch pipes. The airflow can be a little concerning, to say the least. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get this thing built, put together. I'll show you guys it in action. One thing I did like, it does have the little shutdown already built in case you didn't know if it came with it and you thought you had to order one. This one was already there. So alright, so that's already in there. It is very tiny. You only get 5 pieces of straight pipe in there, so you're very limited on how far it is. So I've seen a couple other people say they had a hard time finding actually more pipe, but the 3-inch pipe that you have probably at a hardware store should be able to work, or just modify it a little bit and it should be just fine. There's no elbows with this, but they do make 3-inch elbows. So we're going to use this guy. We're going to modify it a little bit. This is going to do probably dual purpose, a little bit of firewood, and we're going to turn this into a little waste oil burner. I just think It's about the perfect size to do what I've got to do. And if I have to modify the back to a bigger area for airflow, then I can do it. The box is already built. It wasn't very much. It's $100, and it's like a little instant heater. So I like it because it's already got the door already built. Yes, I can build a box in the shop, but building the door, this is already built. It's already got all the stuff in it, and for the amount of time it would take me to build one and materials, this was $100. It was already built, so couldn't go wrong with that. If I got to modify it, that's okay. Anyways, we'll come back with another video of it actually going together, and then all the mods that I do to it, such as for the waste oil burner, and also to see if this little teeny 3-inch is able to move enough air to actually do what it's got to do. Yeah. So we got some more videos coming up. This is used to heat the shop, and then we're going to have another one for the tiny house. So we got 2 of them that we're going to be using. They make a bigger version of this, and everyone seems to complain about the bigger version not flowing enough air. And they say on the smaller version it seems to work better. So we're going to test it out and see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. I'll show you guys some temperatures on it and what it's capable of doing, and also if it is able to do the waste oil burner and save you some time on building something. I'll show that too. So stay tuned for those videos coming up. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. This is your little guide gear, tiny house camp stove.